Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President, Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing good. Hey, a busy weekend this past weekend. Great cars and coffees, both at Lakeland and up in the Gainesville area, also in the Naples market. So hope you got a chance to get out and take part of that. You know, I was just looking at our event calendar for the balance of the year, and it looks like we have about 23 more events, and I'm probably missing one or two in there, but 23 more events to round out this year. It's been a quite busy year. So let me just jump right to it. By the time you get this, it'll be Tuesday the 11th. Some of you will get this early. If you subscribe to this YouTube channel, you'll get these a day or two in advance. So like, subscribe to our channel if you don't mind. On the 11th is SCCA track night at Sebring. We have two more track nights. This Tuesday the 11th and December the 11th for Track Night America. We've really got a great turnout. I think last month we had more than a dozen cars out, and we took all, according to Rich and Damien, we took all the pit boxes. So it's growing. It's we're showing up with BMWs and really creating a really nice process there. When we look at November the 15th is Cars and Coffee in Fort Myers. The 20th is the Ultimate Driving Experience over in Miami. You drive different BMW models. On the 20th also is the monthly lunch for FSC and ZSCCA. The 22nd is November Cruise and Chow. This is Jason's restaurant out at Lake Placid. This is a great little drive. I say little drive, it's not very far, but the drive is remarkable. Some of the views, the twisty roads up around the Lake Placid area is just great. And this little restaurant, is it Jason's? No, or Jackson's? Jackson's, I'm sorry. At Lake Placid, just divine. We were there last year. Anthony and Debbie put this on, and we're going to do it again on the 22nd. So get signed up. It's out there on the RSVP. On the 29th is the November Wheels of Color Automotive Gathering. On the 29th also is the Panama City Beach Coffee and Cars. And then on November the 29th also is the FSC ZSCCA Breakfast in Bradenton. Let me call attention to three other events that are going on before the year end. And this is December the 6th is Sebring HSR. This is our 14th year going out there. So HSR, the Corral and Drive On. We'll cook for everybody. You get run of the track, so to speak. We're going to be out in turns 15 and 16 again. I think the ticket price went up by $1. It's $36 a person. You have to buy your ticket online. So we've included the link. And then RSVP for us so we know to bring food for you. So two things. But December the 6th, Sebring HSR. And we always have a great turnout for that. The 27th of December is the Tom Clee Memorial Holiday Drive. This is where we meet other car clubs from across the state, the East Coast predominantly, but across the state. And we show up out on the alley at exit 49 Snake Road, the Miccosukee Travel Plaza. And we drive Snake Road, and it's truly a Snake Road, all the way up to Clewiston, where we have one of the most fantastic hamburgers or cheeseburgers and onion rings you can imagine. We were just there last Sunday for the Z's on the Keys kickoff, but we're going back December the 27th, Tom Clee Memorial Holiday Drive. And then lastly, let me make sure you got it on your calendar, but the events get ready to post up. We're finishing up some pricing issues this week. The annual luncheon, January 17th. We're really looking forward to that. That's going to be a big blowout. Wear your blue jeans, your boots, whatever the case may be. This is an outdoor luncheon. We've got 5 acres of land that we're going to be utilizing and doing some really cool stuff. Music and good food and good folks. And we're putting together the agenda, the final pricing for hopefully food. We can get this early in advance, so we'll do that. Until then, happy motoring. Come on out and join us at some events. We'd love to see you. And until then, thanks, guys. See you. Bye.